Media handling. The Ricoh Pro C7200SX series supports a wide range of media. Supported paperweight is from 52.3 to 360 GSM. In addition, an elastic fusing belt and enhanced transfer technology make the use of texture media possible. Envelope printing is also supported. New fusing nip adjustment technology allows an enhanced quality on envelopes during a long print run. Carbonless media, metallic and transparent media are also supported, increasing the opportunities for a wide range of applications. Print on extended media, sizes up to 1260mm long sheet. In addition, auto duplex printing is supported up to 700mm. With a greater variety of applications, the Pro C7200SX series offers more print opportunities to grow your business and profitability. An integrated media setting system, IMSS, provides optimal machine settings for each type of media. A media identification unit automatically measures media properties and selects the closest match from within the media library, enabling all users to quickly select the correct media and print in high quality.